What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update. Sorry, last week I was on vacation, but I'm back and we're all okay. So anyway, we had kind of a consolidation few days, the low, then we had that wacko Friday. Opened, we crashed all the way down to 42, then we ripped not only back, but up another 50. So we had, an over 100 point range, which is fairly rare. 58 was your high, 58 prior high here. So I'd look at that. 45 would be a level I'd be watching on the upside. 45, 49. And then we'd get into the 55, 58, 71. And then we get into the 80s here. That 82, 83, I could see that retest. Your 100 days up here at 44.21. 200 days down here at 42.33. We've tested that, come close, but have not broken it. So as of now, I don't know. 42.99.22 is your overnight range, fairly tight. So we'll see. Hourly, your pivots 43.15. These are so wide because of that 100-day or 100-point move on Friday that a lot of them are out. I mean, your R3 is at 45.04. So we're not going to move 200 points, And then this one's at 41.55, which is interesting. I like that level. But if we see that, then, the world has ended. So 42.72, 43.88. I like that 88 level upside. That would be a real extreme if we got up there. I don't see that happening just with all the turmoil. Here's your daily. As you can tell, we have, retested that 200 day, but we haven't broken it. As I've said before, I really want to see this 35.55 tested and then head back up, but we're not there yet. Here's your monthly TPO. We get back above 43.30, actually 43.50. Maybe we can get into and retest this 45.13, which is the POC of last month. As you can tell, we spent most of our time up here and then we traveled down. So, and then this month has gotten supply down here, which can tell us that if supply is here and then we move away from that up, then we'll obviously be bullish. And then if we break that and then come down, so that's going to be just trapped buyers and sellers that have to either puke on the way up or puke on the way down. 77's your last month low, so I would keep that in mind as well. Weekly, did we do a hammer candle last week and now we're going to rip back up? Or is this going to be a new week and we're going to, continue this downtrend down? I don't know. Again, there's so much going on now with the Israel thing, geopolitically. Here's your euro, just pretty much on the track straight down. So I don't see any reason for this to reverse. We broke the 05 level last week. Obviously, 04 level is going to be next. Ideally, we'll retap this 95, but not yet. So I kept this cash gap just because we've tested that low a few times. So we've got this, 42, 16, 17, 19 area. We went down, came up, down, came up, down, came up, down, came up. So that's fairly important, and I might leave that on there because, we'll see if that holds again. You do have this guy, 33, 37, 43, 33 up here. I don't see that happening, possibly. And then we also have that big guy up there. So we'll see. Next cash gap down here is 41, 56, 51. I don't see that happening. Your 200-day on the SPX is 42.08. I would definitely watch that. Again, I don't know today. Bonds are closed, so I don't. I'm apprehensive to trade because those have been really the driving force for our equity moves as of late. So if you are going to trade today, just be careful. In and out. If you see green, take it. I'll be in the room.